Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation, and today I have a brand new model airport maker today, a brand new artist if you will say. I have Zach at Model Airport Network, also known as Custom Airport Buildings on Instagram. I do have two different airport pieces today. One will be the FedEx hangar at Denver International Airport, which goes to my layout by hangar 505. And also I do have both Delta terminals at Boston on my layover layout. So two different layouts, two different terminals for two different layouts. So without further ado, guys, let's get this open. So honestly, superior quality. Look at this. This is so crisp and so clean. Like I was looking at this earlier, it's amazing. Like I have nothing bad to say so far. It looks pretty good. Thank you for the packaging. Great job. Looks like we have the other half here, or other part. Looking pretty good to me. I will be doing another video showing this all set up on the cargo, but just for now, let's get these pieces out. So it looks like we have our gates for the airport. Pretty cool, honestly. I've never seen these gates in person before. I think I will be adding different gates to it just because personally I just do like the gates I have been using with the stairs and everything. But I will be showcasing it with those gates on it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I own one of these. This is so cool. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, and finally, here is the other part of the terminal, or the FedEx terminal, if you will. So I think it goes like this way, actually, and then you would see it from the other side. So let me get this. Here's the FedEx terminal here at Denver International Airport. Honestly, it looks pretty scale to me. Doesn't look like too large, too small. Like if you were to put like a 767, let's just pretend this is a cargo plane for now. Pretend this is a cargo plane. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. Past there. All right, guys, let's get the Boston terminals up and out. Here we go. All right, guys, the moment has come. Check it out. Look at this beast. Holy cow. Absolutely beautiful. I've flown out of Boston at the Delta terminal many times in my life. This is pretty accurate if you ask me. Look at that. All right, let's get this down on the layout. One moment here, guys. Incredible details. Let's get it set out. All right, everybody. Feast your eyes on this beautiful Boston International Airport terminal from Model Airport Network. You guys can see here. And now let's glory with this layover layouts map. The layout, I mean. Boston Tower here from Tarmac Designs, Indiana. Absolutely amazing. A lot going on here at the Model Airport Nation. We got 3 airports going. We got Dubai, Kahului, Maui, and Boston going here. So I like this. I can kind of rotate the airports out. But anyways, guys, today we're focusing on Boston. Look how detailed this is. This thing is incredible. I'll show you guys the back part of this too, where you have the drop-off and arrival area. Super detailed. Absolutely amazing. One thing I would change would be the jet bridges. I think if they could turn, if these could turn and adjust more, I think that would be a win-win for me. But for now, that's what I would say. But other than that, I'd say the terminal is, absolutely immaculate. This is like great 3D printing work, I do believe. Like, it's absolutely amazing. It's just the jet bridges I would change. But other than that, it's absolutely amazing. Honestly, nothing bad to say. Just, I would just fix the jet bridges. So I will be putting my own jet bridges on. I do like the ones where they do adjust. from Tarmac Designs. So I will be using those. Maybe even some JC Wings jet bridges or something to make it even more realistic too. We will see. But let's take another look at this terminal area. Guys, here's another view of the pickup drop-off area. Super cool. There's also the different parts that come with to lower that. As you guys can see here, it is completed. I do have to fix those a little bit more, but you guys get the idea. I'll have to get an army of my Delta aircraft out here because you guys know I have a lot of Delta airplanes because Delta is my favorite airline out there. Do need to invest more in American Airlines and all the other ones. Let's get another view from the side over here. I will give a shout out to Boston Logan 400 on Instagram. This person did a layout of this, and then Model Airport Network redid the buildings to make them look even more realistic. And I got this layout from Layover Layouts. I do want to put a backdrop here of the Boston city. That's going to look amazing. So this is like a great, like, you know, 6 foot little display area right here. Like, that's kind of fun. So yeah, here is the other part of the terminals here. Super cool. You can have planes, you know, pushing back, taxiing here. This honestly just teases me. Like, I want more of the Boston airport. Like, come on. So we'll see, guys. I probably will end up doing Boston in its entirety. You know, in the future. When I say future, I mean like maybe more than, you know, maybe 3 to 4 years probably. But yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. I'm going to put some stuff over here so I can take some shots with the tower here. I know that's not the exact spot where the tower goes, but it still gets the point across here, I guess. But this is just initial unboxing, guys. So we're just doing a rough layout of this. Honestly, Model Airport Network, thank you, Zach from Model Airport Network. You did a great job on this. It is absolutely incredible. It makes me want more of the Boston airport. Just incredible. So I will be changing the jet bridges out, but other than that, I think it's super cool. So thank you, guys. Oh, also, and here's another look at the FedEx terminal. This is a direct replica of the Denver International Airport FedEx cargo terminal. I will be putting this on my layout, my cargo layout from Hangar 505. I'm doing a video on that, so stay tuned for that, guys. There will be an official, like, not an unboxing of this, but this will get its day of fame. Let's just put it that way. So this will have its own layout video, so stay tuned. But just a simple unboxing for now, guys. Just showing you guys, you know, my new Boston terminals from Model Airport Network on this beautiful layover layouts. So Chris at Layover Layouts did this entire layout here. So good job, Chris. And yeah, guys, so more to come. I do think I'm going to have Andy from Tarmac Designs, Indiana, do my the International Red Terminal portion of Boston. So that's going to be really cool. But yeah, super cool, guys. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. Again, shout out to Model Airport Network. A lot more footage to come of this in the near future, guys. So stay tuned for that. Until then, guys, happy collecting. We'll see you guys in another Boston update video very soon. A lot coming in the near future, guys. Stay tuned. Also, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, right here, guys, on YouTube, at Model Airport Nation. Thank you, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.